Hey everybody, here we are in Naples, Florida. Just purchased this 1961 Austin Healey MK3000, known as the Big Healey. I guess we'll call this one a yard find. Hasn't driven in about roughly 30 years. Original drivetrain. Post some more pictures of that all later. We're gonna get her running and see where we can go from there. Hey, Mr. Gene, what do you think of our services, sir?
Good. You guys were fair in the price and everything. I felt.
We appreciate it, man. You see if it's in neutral?
Yeah, I think
Oh wow! I gotta turn it. Purchase 1961 Austin Healey, known as the Big Healey MK1 3000. Update you guys soon. Just got these new Continental tires on it. Tires on it was all rotted.
got the engine turning. We're getting spark. Cleaning out the truck carburetors. Making sure we get clean fuel to it. Tank is out of it. Frame is very solid. No major holes in the floors. Some peek-through rust here and there on it, but mostly surfaced. Just going through it.
So what have you done so far mechanically on it?
Mechanically, we just turned the engine. That's it, and make sure that we're getting clean fuel to it. She should be running in a day or so.
So it is the BT7 instead of the BN7. Lines are pretty straight on it. This is the way we bought it as far as the interior goes. People we purchased it from,
Just digging out the rest of it.
they have a barn with some other parts. We're hoping that we could get the back and the
Jump seats.
passenger side cushion. We have one of the windows. We have the deck lid. Is that right?
It's missing. We need a couple new hinges here and there.
So they haven't driven it in about 30 years.
1987 was the last time it was on the road.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Wow. What would that be? 33 years.
It's in my passenger back seat right side. Passenger back seat right side, purple bottle, and my buffer.
We don't see a lot of these nowadays. So I suppose our goal is to get it running, clean it out, and I believe we're going to sell it to someone who would like to do a restore on it. We'll update you guys on the next video. Tommy with Florida Classic Car Buyers here. Day 3 working on this 61 Healey. What do we got going on?
Just getting our minds around the positive ground and negative ground.
I do like how it has an adjustable bank in advance.
Other than that, we were just
So tell us about
we replaced the points.
Progress
and
made.
we replaced the points. We're still not getting any spark. So I believe we're going to have a bad wire somewhere. It seems to be grounding out prior to arcing. So we're figuring it out. So probably with a bad wire that a rat ate somewhere or a squirrel. But we'll figure it out.
Have you got it started at all yet?
Oh, we got it turning beautiful, never started.
Okay.
Show you how it's turning.
See it turn. But no spark coming through the
Those points are opening and closing
points.
beautifully.
Yeah.
foil. Not to
It's
the
so
point of actually
stupid.
starting.
Yeah.